Hi guys, so what I'm going to show you on this video is a shell stitching in crochet. So as beginners, I learned this shell stitching. This is composed of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So I made this foundation already, and I have this. As you can see, there is a line here. It's called front post double crochet, and then the back, if you continue it, because it's like going left, right, something like that. So when you work on the back, it's gonna be called a back post double crochet when you connect on this one. So yes, well, on this video I'm just gonna show you how to shell stitch. So I have chain 3 here because I'm just done from here to left, and so now I'm gonna be working on back post double crochet. But first, of course, as I've said, I'm gonna show you how to shell stitch. This shell stitch is composed of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. You can also do a shell stitch bigger, or as we call it, increase. You can have 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. It's up to you on what project you are doing, but this is how it is. So I have chain 3 here, and then yarn over, insert.
Okay, so I'm over here.
No, not yet. Again.
Saved some interesting posts I thought I'd share.
Second
this first one just shows you
double
all
crochet,
the
chain 1.
I mean, every city, major city, Paris, London, even in South America. So
there you go.
People are really getting,
and then back post double crochet. There you have it. That's shell stitch. So again, I'm just gonna show you again. Yarn over, insert here, pull through, yarn over, pull through one more time, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, and then second double crochet and back post double crochet. So as you can see in the front view, it will continue on this line here until you finish whatever project you are doing. So that is shell stitching and back post. Actually, there are 2 that you learn from this video: the back post or front post double crochet and the shell stitching. So I hope you learned something on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.